Rich homie Quan got hoes in different area code. Safe to say that. And Rich homie Quan girlfriend, I'm pretty sure she don't have no access to none of his things. So probably gonna be way more women's posted besides the one we see floating, the 3 or the 4. I ain't surprised. That's Rich homie Quan, bitch. Rich homie got that Peter like wood. So fucking good. That's so fucking good. Rich homie so fucking good. Baby. Who else he was banging? And the key question is, Rich homie Quan was sleeping with all y'all? Was y'all using protection?
Try a darker shade. I think the lipstick's too much. Come on.
His baby mama, I know she probably mad, but that's a part of the game, you know. These boys is not loyalty. They not loyal. These boys not loyal. Sorry to tell you, baby. Don't cry your heart out for it. Because he was not faithful. He was just a man with the plan, with a bag, with the wood. R.I.P. Rich homie Quan. The man with the plan.